We are now in 304 Eden House, right on the Gulf of Mexico. I started to do the video of the beach, which is the big attraction, and I'm sure you can hear the waves. Got electric shutters right there. Nice lanai. You can put at least 4 chairs, maybe a little bit more if you had a bigger table. Little friends up there on the wall. Give you some colors, ceiling fans. Please note that all the sliding doors actually open. It's got a nice breeze today. It's very, very comfortable and just a nice view, relaxing. Total beachy condo. 2 bedroom, 2 baths. Nice tile on the floor. Lots of touches. Everything you see here stays in the unit. Got a great rental history as well. It's a weekly rental, which is really unusual. So you can maximize the most you want the rental income. There's a little TV right there. Nice and bright. Then we go to the master bedroom, which is going to be, then we are right on the master bedroom now, which is right on the Gulf of Mexico with 2 large windows and nice sliding doors also going to the balcony. So when you sleep at night, you can hear the waves, which means it's always a very big attraction for people coming here. They love that. Put you to sleep. Master bath. Nice bathtub right there with the tile. Big closet. Walk-in closet. Again, the tile is all the way in the whole apartment, which is very, very nice. Don't have to be worried about sand from the beach. The dining area right there. Lots of storage, of course, right there. And entrance. And completely separate, you've got the guest, who also have a great view of the landscape area. Nice big windows in this unit and lots of storage again. Ceiling fan. Right there, it's the shower, which is actually can be used for handicap too. Air conditioning. All the information on the unit will be included in the listing for all updates. There's a lot of information on it, so you can get a better idea on ages and big closets right there. And coming back again in the dining area, and we're going to do the kitchen. washer and dryer right there, and the kitchen, which is right off of the entrance windows. Nice and big with a nice walk through. Through, yes. Very good. Little touches right there. The windows, and again, nice little cabinets. I'm standing away from the window and I can still hear the waves. You really feel like you're at the beach here. Make it very special.